औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। वेल फ्रेंड्स, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
ओके
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके। Today we are going to discuss a very interesting subject, applied common sense. It is always good to know, but it is always better to do. Anybody who can explain what is common sense?
Sir, natural sense that you use in everything.
Very nice. Any other person who would like to contribute?
Sir?
Common
Sir,
sense किसे?
sense that everybody has.
Okay, very nice.
Sir, common sense is the sense that you use in your everyday things that are common, and you utilize that sense to make them easier for yourself.
Very nice. Anyone else? And what is applied? Can you make any sense out of it?
Sir, to do something, to apply it to do something.
Okay. It is the utilization of
Apply
common
it in
sense.
something.
Okay. It is the usage of the common sense. Actual practical usage, isn't it? And
Yes, sir.
do we have a sufficient knowledge about the common sense? What is common sense? Although we understand that this is something which helps, but do we know how it helps? Today we are going to explore this particular possibility. Okay. Okay, as usual, we would like to know what is it, why it is important for us to know about it more, and we will focus at how does it work. So again, like all the subjects, we must understand what we are looking for, why we are looking for, and how we will be more interested to find how it functions, how it works. Now in front of you are two pictures. Can you make any sense out of these pictures? Let's start from the first one, which is on the top. Just have a good look over these two pictures and let's make some sense out of it.
Sir, sense in what way? Like they both have the same?
You can use your imagination, anything. Different people will make different kind of sense. I just want to know that what appeals you, how you can describe it, how you can explain it
Sir,
in your own
these,
way. You can do
Sir-
it independently also and collectively also, whatever you feel like.
sir, these both pictures show nature.
Okay, very nice. Good observation.
And sir, if you see, they both have trees.
Sir, in the first picture, it's cloudy and
Yeah. Likely to?
sir, they both are
Rain?
plains.
Okay.
Plains.
And sir, they both have clouds. But
Okay.
in the top picture, they're a little darker, and in the
Yes.
second one, they're a little light color.
Okay, let's focus only on clouds. What image the clouds have in your mind?
Sir, the first top picture, clouds make me think about rain. Because
Okay.
I feel like the color and the shade is for rain, and in the second picture I think that I think about water and gas, because that is what makes clouds that color.
Okay.
Sir, in the first picture, the clouds
Sir, in the
color
first
is
picture,
a little dark,
Yes.
and the second picture, the clouds color is a little light.
Which is more colorful? Which picture?
Sir, second picture.
sir, the second
Yes,
one.
sir, the second
Second
picture
one.
because
Sir, the
it has
second one.
more green, more blue, more
Okay.
white.
Whatever you are
Sir,
saying.
in the
Okay, carry on. Carry on, complete your sentence.
sir, in the first picture, sir, in the first picture, it makes me think of sadness. In the second picture, it makes me think of happiness.
Okay, very nice. Excellent. Okay, whatever you have said, why you have said this thing? Based on what?
Because of the
You,
observation and how it looks.
yes. And when did you make this observation?
When
What was going on in your mind once you were comparing or you were relating or talking about the pictures? What was going on in your mind?
the colors and the image about and how it looks.
Anything to do with your previous experience, your previous knowledge?
Yes, sir, it does.
It does. So that means that something goes on in our mind which makes us to speak or relate things. This is an ability of mind that it relates the present scene, present picture with the old one and make us say the thing which we are saying. Is it so?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is this?
Yes, yes,
Library.
Library with books.
Okay. What made
sir, a
you think to
library.
say this? What made you think to say this thing?
Sir, because in a library there are books in
'Cause-
shelves and there are like columns and rows, so that makes me think about the library.
Anything
Sir,
which is
because I've
special
been in
about
Sir, there are
libraries?
shelves too. Sir.
Okay. There is something which is not visible, but it is there. Something which
Sir,
is not visible, but it is there.
sir, a corner where we can
Sir,
sit and
knowledge.
read.
Sir, knowledge.
Can you stand silence in the library?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What made you think silence?
The library that
Sir, because in a library silence is applied to have
Yes.
peace.
Can you see some organization? Things are organized well, neatly,
Yes, sir.
nicely.
Yes, sir.
Why
Sir,
we
if you
do?
look,
Why
yes,
we
sir.
need to do? Why we
Yes,
want
sir.
to organize things?
sir, so that it is easy to find them and that
Sir, so we have.
Sir, and one of the column is white.
Okay. And what is organization?
Sir,
organization
sir,
is to keep
organization is.
everything set
Sir,
and
it's to.
and you know where everything is. That's organization.
Okay, very nice. Have you heard the word organs?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Organs are,
Sir,
where are
yes, sir.
organs?
So in our body.
Are inside our body.
Okay, nice. So organization is that everything is organized. So they can perform very well according to some system. Okay? Can we
Yes, sir.
use our common sense
Yes, sir.
under some system? That we make a system that how we are going to use and apply our common sense.
Yes, sir.
So we do not go haphazard. We just exactly know what we have to do, from where to start and where to make sense, how to make sense out of it. Okay, nice, and so far so good. What this picture is telling us?
Sir, they're laughing.
So,
And when
so
do we
they're
laugh?
showing, pulling a prank off.
Yes. When do we laugh?
Sir, when
Sir,
something
when
is
something
funny.
funny happens.
So we can imagine that something was funny going on and
Yes.
that made them laugh.
Yes, sir.
Do you know what is the advantage of laughing and smiling in life?
Yes, sir.
What is it? Importance of humor, laughing, smiling. What difference it makes in our life?
Sir, good, healthy laugh relax physically and tension stresses.
Sir,
Very
what is the
nice.
importance of humor?
In life, why do we smile, laugh, and why humans do that? And is it necessary to laugh sometimes, smile all the time? Do you think there is a
Yes.
need for it?
Sir,
Yes.
it is needed because when you laugh, when you smile, when you have a positive personality, then you don't act bad or you don't always have a negative thought in your mind.
Yes, very nice because we need to smile and laugh because it relaxes our muscles. We give away our tensions. We are relaxed and we are ready to learn again. So sometimes one should laugh, but all the time one should be smiling because this way you give message to your body that you are not tense, you are not in tension. So this way your learning abilities increases. So never get tense once you are attempting something serious. You take it very lightly and this way you can relax your mind and you can perform better. Okay? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Another
Yes, sir.
picture. Another picture. What do you think what has happened?
Sir, they both were driving fast and they both were driving on the same road. So the car
Okay.
crashed with each other and then they are started fighting that it was your fault and it was your fault and it was your fault.
Okay. Okay. The same thing can we relate with the 6 words which I have written on the top left corner?
Yes.
What has happened? You have just said. Why
Yes,
it
sir.
has happened? You have said. Who was at fault? We can determine. How it has happened because both were on the same lane. Can we make when it happened? Long time back or it has just happened?
Sir, we can say it's no, just happened because their
What?
fighting
Yes,
action looks like that is just happened.
just happened. And can we predict if we know the map where it has happened, the location?
Sir,
On the
it has
road.
happened on a road or a
Yes.
bridge
And
on the side path.
what next they should be doing?
Sir, they should just say the man who was driving on the wrong road, he should just keep quiet and say that it was my fault, and then they should, I think, so report to the cops or someone to pick up the cars and go to the workshop for fixing them. Hello?
Yes, I am listening to you. Both are right-hand drive car or left-hand drive car?
Sir, let me check. Sir, these are right-hand cars, so the guy on the left side was driving wrong.
Okay, how did you tell everything what you have said? You
Sir,
use your
because
common sense. You use your common sense, your
yes,
observation. If we use these 6 words which are written on the top, you can
yes,
systemize your common sense. One by one, you first want to know what has happened. No matter what event has taken place, whatever occurrence has taken place, we want to know what has happened. What means that you are more trying to get engaged with the situation? Why mean that you are trying to find the reason? Who is that you want to apportion blame? How is that you want to know the sequences, what went wrong? When is that, what time it happens? Let's say that lot of accidents are occurring the same way. What government should do? If similar
They
type
should,
of accident, yes, are happening at the same location and more number of accidents are taking place. So what
Sir,
you will do?
government should build new roads or build a
Sir, I will
U-turn or
put the police
something.
there.
Yes,
Sir, the government should build new roads or some speed breakers for
okay,
not driving so fast or some
yes.
barriers.
said the government should build cameras and see if the speed limit they are above the speed limit or not, and cut their challan if they're above the speed limit.
Very nice. Should we engage some
Sir,
insurance companies
sir,
also?
they should put the police there. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, okay. Some insurance,
Sir, can you
uh,
tell it again? Sir, tell it again.
can you think of involving some insurance agencies so they can pay for the losses?
Sir, the one who was coming on the wrong way, he should pay the one who caused whose accident happened much
O-
hard.
Okay, we have just seen that common sense is always aiding us to analyze the situation and developing the solutions. Is it so?
Yes, sir.
So you can again find that there is some linkage of observation. You are observing thing, then you are analyzing it, and then you are developing solutions which can prevent the wrong things to happen.
Sir,
So,
if you
okay, say it.
Sir, if you learn the say 6 words, what, why, who, how, when, where, you can systemize your common sense.
Yes, because you now have the questions and you will find answer one by one. So whenever you do things in order, in an organized way, you have more chances that you will not miss out any details. So if you have to do these similar type of things time and again, you require a system. So every time, everybody should not be making his own observations. So common thing should be common to all. So anybody who analyzes an accident, he follows the same chain. So this way you can increase your capacity, your ability to analyze and developing better solutions. So this is what we call a systematic approach. Okay, here is a very interesting situation. There are two people, they were going for some function, they had to reach at one place. And for some reason, both the cars broke down and for different reasons. What your common sense suggests what they should be doing?
Sir, I know. The one with the blue car has the tire has got with flat, so
Okay,
there's another spare tire in his car. He should just
okay.
get that spare tire and give this tire to a person who fixes tires or buy a new one. And the one with the red car, he should his car has heated up because
Hmm.
the temperature of the air or the outside was too
Hmm.
hot, so the car heated up and he needs water to cool it.
Okay.
When
Sir,
he will fill water.
Now,
go ahead.
whatever you are saying, okay, you also kindly complete your sentence.
Sir, for the first one, you never know if she has a spare tire. So I think she should just call her insurance company and just get them to fix it. And for the second one, I think he should call a mechanic to get it to fix.
Can they cooperate and find a good solution so they can reach in time somewhere?
Sir.
Sir, I think that if they want to cooperate, they can take off one tire. The red car person can take off one tire and give it to the blue car person, and they can go both go together.
Also, they can take a taxi.
Okay, very nice. What else?
Or sir, if there's a petrol station near, so they can also repair their cars.
Sir, the blue one can have a spare tire.
Whatever you are suggesting from your memory, from your intelligence, from your own experiences, or you are seeing certain possibilities. From where are you getting this? Because there is no instruction. You are trying your mind and you are trying to find some solutions which are workable. Please remember, solutions are only those which are workable. Rest can be the wish, it can be the desire. But anything which you cannot do on ground is not a solution. It is just an option, okay? So our common sense makes us believe that we can produce solutions to the problem for every different kind of situation, okay? So if you have a system, you can apply your common sense in a befitting manner. Now in life, we always have different situations, different challenges, and different requirements. Do you agree? In life, we always have different situations, challenges, and requirements.
Sir, I agree. And also, life is a test.
Okay. So we should always be ready. So Allah has given us common sense, and we can always apply whenever we are in a difficult situation, in a new situation, new challenge, and new requirement. We should believe that with the help of our common sense, we can find a solution. Now, when you apply common sense, you normally make a temporary solution. You don't make a permanent solution. Because permanent solution requires experts, you need more time, you need more knowledge, but for the time being, you can make a good start. You can fix your problems, which are very minor nature, but you can be out of the situation. Anybody who would like to elaborate this point in his own words or in her own words? Do you understand what is situation, what is challenge, and what is requirement?
Yes, sir.
So
But
can you tell
I
it again?
forgot what question did you say?
I was
Can you
just
tell
asking.
again what situation, challenges, requirements?
Okay, I just want to say that these two people were moving on a car, what the slide we have just seen. So suddenly
Yes, sir.
both the car broke down. So they were in a situation they were not anticipating, they were not expecting. But this thing happened. Now the challenge
Yes.
was how to fix them. And requirement was to be at a particular place in a particular time. So
Yes.
they had the common sense, as you people also have the common sense. You suggested few solutions. So one way is that you give up, that nothing can happen. But other way is that you believe in yourself. You believe that as you have the common sense, you can find a solution. Now yesterday we learned to communicate. Now if these people have good communication skill, they can communicate with their mind, they can demand a solution from their own mind, and mind will be willing to provide a good solution. And or they can communicate between them to find a joint solution. So my point is, to whenever you are in a new situation, in a difficult situation, whenever you face new challenges or you have certain requirements, never give up, just relax, have a smile, think coolly that what should be you be doing and how you can come out of that situation, how can you negotiate that challenge, or how can you meet your requirement. So this is what life is. This is what happens in life more and often. So this is again an ability to utilize, to harness, to understand your common sense and utilize it in the most befitting manner whenever it is needed. ये बात आपको समझ आई है?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Very well done. Okay. Have you seen this kind of knife ever?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What do
sir.
we call-
It's called a utility
what-
knife.
What we call it? Do you know this? It has a very peculiar name.
No, sir.
Pocket knife or
knife?
utility knife.
It is Swiss knife. Swiss knife, Switzerland. They have one knife which has multiple roles. So they have small things attached to it and they utilize it for different reasons. Just like that, our mind is also multifunctional. It has the solutions of every problem, or for the time being, for the temporary solutions. So one should learn how to utilize it when needed and how to control it. Otherwise, mind will control you and you will be of no use. So you are superior, it is your mind. So never let your mind to use you. You should be using your mind whenever you require assistance from your mind. Okay? बात समझ आई है बेटा आपको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes, sir.
have to master your mind. You must know how to make use of your mind to the best of your abilities. You
how
should
will
develop
we
the abilities of your
know-
mind, and like you want to use it for mathematics. So you have to set your mind, you have to do mind setting for mathematics. If you want to make it convenient to use for biology, your setting of the mind should be according to biology or the requirements of chemistry. So whatever you want to use, you have to, we will discuss at how to set that mind, okay? That will be in the coming lecture. But for the time being, you can understand that we have to know what your mind can do and how you have to use, and the most common thing it has is the common sense. So we have to learn how to use common sense, how to apply common sense. You are asking some question, please do ask.
Sir, I was saying that how will we know to master the mind?
Yes, I said that we will
Yes,
have a
you
lecture
told
on this.
that,
Oh,
next
okay.
lecture.
Yes, we will have some lecture on this. How to set our mind for particular role and particular things. So it has a multiple role to play, and you should be master to utilize it to best of your ability. And I said that the best ability mind has is the common sense. So we must know how to use our common sense. Now we will come towards a practical example. In front of you, there is a room.
जी वालेकुम अस्सलाम सर
Okay. Hello. You want to use your common sense. You want to hang a painting in this room. So what is the most appropriate place to hang the painting, in your opinion?
Sir, on
Sir,
the front
on the
wall.
wall in front of you.
Okay. Anybody else? Anyone else at any other location?
Sir, on top of the mirror.
Okay. Whatever you are suggesting, your common sense is in fact suggesting you. Because somebody said it should be in the front wall, he may have thought that this is empty, at rest every wall has something else, so it is the appropriate place. So it has a logic, it has a common sense. Okay? But to hang the wall painting, you require certain things. You have to make certain decisions. Is it so? That it should be straight.
Yes, sir.
You have to place a nail first, and you have to hammer a nail first. You have to reach to that place. There are many things which your mind is calculating at the moment. So everything is coming up, It is stemming out from common sense. We will just see in a more detail, like to hang a wall painting, and if it is to done by a person, he should reach to the place first, and if he has the lesser height, he will require something, some stool, some chair, some table, which helps him to reach to that point. Now imagine your common sense is suggesting and it is taking care of that your height and height of the table or stool should be sufficient to take you to the location you want to be. Is it so? So it requires calculation. You must know your height. You must estimate that what is the height of that chair or table. Will it serve the purpose? Now, to be that place, you have to drag that chair or stool, or you have to place it. Now your common sense will tell that which is the lightest thing, which can be easily taken care of, but you are also concerned with your balance also. You also want to know that whether that thing can take the load of your weight. Can it withstand that weight? If you take the glass table, it will break, you know it. And everything is being calculated, suggested by your common sense in your mind without your knowledge. That how to drag it, which is the best choice. If you will take the glass, it may be lighter, it may be easier to place it there. But if it cannot take your weight, it cannot withstand your weight, you will have a problem. So you also require a nail also. You require an appropriate thing to hammer it. You will require a piece of thread to hold the picture. You can make use of the reference line to keep the picture straight. So many things are happening in your mind. Your mind is calculating, suggesting, and finally you will make a decision. It is your judgment that what thing you should move to that place, on what basis you have decided to take it, what type of instrument you are going to use. So different combination of different things will make it possible for you to make that thing happen. So next time you will remember everything which you have done in your memory. So next time whenever you have to hang something, you will exactly remember that chair in this room is better. I can use that hammer. So you will not calculate it again. You will utilize your previous information, your previous experience in a better way. So this way common sense gets accumulated, and next time it becomes more easy to do certain things, and this is what we call it habit. So we must pick up good habits based on our experience, our common sense. But what if something has changed, something better has come in the room? So you will update your common sense. So this way humans are always updating their experience, and they improve their common sense with their experience, and they save their energy, efforts, calculation if they have to do similar type of thing. Now in human history, all such experience, all such findings, they have organized as we have shown in the library. They have kept in the books in the organized fashion. So you are taught experience of others in the form of books, in the form of formal education, and that helps us to perform function very easily based on the experience and common sense of others. I hope you got the message what I am trying to say. Did you? Anyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Anyone else? Okay, let's see it in a text form, same thing. Whenever we have a requirement, challenge, or a situation, our mind becomes in action. First of all, in assessing the situation, then understanding the requirements, then understanding the limitations, then understanding the constraints, then recalling our memory, then defining our problem, then preparing our action plan, then working out different options, then suggesting best solution, then leading the effort, and then updating our experience. So whatever I said earlier, this is what exactly what I have written here. So this way you become systematic in applying your common sense. पहले आप देखते हैं कि सिचुएशन क्या है, कि आपने क्या करना है, क्या किस तरह का कमरा है, किधर तस्वीर लगानी है, रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है कि वहां पे आपने कहाँ पे लगानी है, वहां पे क्या क्या चीजें होनी चाहिए. फिर आप लिमिटेशंस देखते हैं कि मेरी हाइट कम है, मेरे पास, मैं हाथ से कील को ठोक नहीं सकता, मेरी कंस्ट्रेंट्स ये हैं कि मेरे पास प्रॉपर वो लैडर नहीं है टू रीच देयर, मेरे पास जो अवेलेबल चीजें हैं उन्हें इस्तेमाल करना है. फिर आप देखते हैं कि पहले इस कमरे में मैंने कोई चीज तो नहीं लगाई थी, आप मेमोरी को रिकॉल करते हैं. फिर आप प्रॉब्लम को डिफाइन करते हैं कि यू हैव टू रीच टू द प्लेस, यू हैव टू हैमर अ नेल देयर. फिर आप एक प्लान करते हैं कि मैं इन चीजों को लेके जाऊंगा, मेरे पास ये ऑप्शंस हैं, और बेस्ट ऑप्शन ये है कि अगर मैं ये 3 चीजें यूज करूं तो आई कैन डू दिस. फिर आप वो एक्चुअल काम करते हैं. फिर अगर वो काम सक्सेसफुल हो तो आपका माइंड जो है ना वो अपना एक्सपीरियंस को अपडेट कर लेता है. तो नेक्स्ट टाइम जब आप यूज करेंगे तो आपको एग्जैक्ट पता होगा कि कौन सी चीज आपने इस्तेमाल करनी है, कौन सा प्लान करना है, और क्या चीजें जल्दी से कर लेनी है. तो दिस एक्सरसाइज वी डू इट फॉर एवरी एक्शन वी डू. और इसमें से कुछ चीजें हमारी मेमोरी में होती हैं तो हम वो जल्दी कर लेते हैं, नए सिरे से करनी हो तो हमें सारी चीजें नए सिरे से सोचनी पड़ती हैं. बट यू मस्ट रिमेंबर कि आपने सिचुएशन को असेस करना है, आपने रिक्वायरमेंट को अंडरस्टैंड करना है, लिमिटेशन को, कंस्ट्रेंट्स को अपनी मेमोरी में देखना है कि पहले ऐसा कोई काम किया तो नहीं है. फिर आपने इसे स्टेप्स में डिफाइन करना है प्रॉब्लम को. फिर आपने एक्शन प्लान बनाना है, फिर आपने ऑप्शन को वर्कआउट करना है, और इस तरीके से आप अपने कॉमन सेंस को सिस्टमाइज कर लेते हैं और उसको अप्लाई करने की पोजीशन में आ जाते हैं. So if you have any question, please do ask.
No, sir.
Just have another look. It may appear very simple, but our mind does so many things simultaneously. और यही जो काम है ना, ये जब आप इंजीनियरिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाते हैं तो यू एग्जैक्टली डू द सेम थिंग. कि आप रिक्वायरमेंट को असेस करते हैं, आप लिमिटेशंस को देखते हैं कि पैसे कम है, मटेरियल ये अवेलेबल है, और यही काम इसी तरीके से इन अ वेरी बिगर फॉर्म आप करते हैं. तो लिमिटेशन को देखते हैं कि रिस्क तो कोई इन्वॉल्व नहीं है, आपके पैसे तो ज़ाया नहीं हो जाएंगे, टाइम तो वेस्ट नहीं हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज एग्जैक्टली जो इंजीनियरिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स भी होते हैं, बड़ी बड़ी मैन मेड चीजें बनती हैं, उसमें भी कॉमन सेंस को आप अप्लाई करते हैं इसी तरीके से. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
नॉट गेटिंग ओके. तो अभी कॉमन सेंस जो है ना, इट इज लाइक ब्रिक्स, कि आप कॉमन सेंस को कंबाइन करते हैं. जैसे आप बिल्डिंग बना लेते हैं तो ये मैथमेटिक्स सारा कॉमन सेंस से बना हुआ है, फिजिक्स कॉमन सेंस से बनी हुई है, केमिस्ट्री कॉमन सेंस से बनी हुई है, बायोलॉजी कॉमन सेंस से बनी हुई है. मतलब जितने भी सब्जेक्ट्स है ना, उनकी जो बेसिक बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स है, जो ब्रिक है, दैट इज कॉमन सेंस. सो as we in the beginning we established that we all have common sense, so everybody can be a very good mathematician, physics, provided वो अपना common sense को सही तरीके पे और समझ के साथ इस्तेमाल करें, एज अ सिस्टम के तौर पे इस्तेमाल करें. ये दुनिया में जितनी भी एजुकेशन है, फॉर्मल एजुकेशन है, इज इट अ रिजल्ट ऑफ अ कॉमन सेंस, अप्लाइड कॉमन सेंस. तो ये अगर आपको पता हो, जस्ट टू रिकॉल, दीज आर द बेसिक क्वेश्चन: व्हाट, व्हाई, हु, वेयर, हाउ एंड व्हेन. इसकी एप्लीकेशन है. और जब आप थोड़े से ज्यादा सीनियर क्लासेस में जाते हैं तो इसके साथ आप वर्ड ऐड करना शुरू कर देते हैं. व्हाट इफ, व्हाई नॉट, व्हाई सो. तो एल्स, इफ, देन, इस तरह के लफ्ज इस्तेमाल करके यू एक्सटेंड योर कॉमन सेंस. कि आप कहते हैं व्हाई नॉट, कि ये ऑप्शन क्यों नहीं हो सकती, तो देन यू इट बिकम्स अनदर ऑप्शन. देन यू फाइंड वेयर नॉट एक्सीडेंट अकर्स, कौन सी जगह पर एक्सीडेंट नहीं होते, अगर उधर नहीं होते तो यहाँ पे भी नहीं हो सकते. तो यू ट्राई टू एक्सट्रैक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन बेस्ड ऑन दीज टेम्पलेट्स. तो ये आपको ना आपकी जो थिंकिंग है उसे सिस्टमाइज करते हैं. सो दिस इज द बिगेस्ट गिफ्ट नेचर हैज गिवन ह्यूमंस, कि आपके पास एक ऐसा टूल दे दिया जैसे स्विस नाइफ है माइंड की सूरत में, which can produce solutions, which can produce results. So learn to apply, use that. उसकी application से we drive new solutions. तो ये एक, इसको अगर आप habit बना लेंगे, so this is yet another ability, जैसे हमने कहा था कि we must develop our abilities. Utilization of common sense in every matter. तो अभी तक हमने ऑब्जर्वेशन को देखा था, चेंज को देखा था, कंट्रोल को देखा था, लर्निंग को देखा था, कम्युनिकेशन को देखा था, और आज हमने कॉमन सेंस को देखा. तो अभी जो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर होगा उसमें यू कैन आस्क मी योर क्वेश्चंस इन तमाम लेक्चर्स के ऊपर. इनकी रिकॉर्डिंग भी अवेलेबल है आपके पास. इफ यू लाइक यू मे लाइक टू रिविजिट योर नोट्स, योर लेक्चर्स. और जो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर होगा उसमें हम सारी चीजें रिव्यू करेंगे जो कल होगा, कि अभी तक हमने क्या पढ़ा है एंड हाउ दे आर इंटरलिंक्ड एंड व्हाट न्यू एबिलिटीज वी हैव बीन एबल टू ड्राइव आउट ऑफ इट. तो इन सारी चीज. यस प्लीज.
सर आप कह रहे हैं रिकॉर्डिंग पास है सर, वेयर कैन वी गेट द रिकॉर्डिंग्स?
बेटा ये इसके ऊपर जो साइट बनी हुई है ना हमारी, ये आपके पेरेंट्स को पता होगा, जिसपे ये हम रोज टाइम शेयर करते हैं, वहां पे इसके लिंक्स
Yes,
बने
sir.
हुए हैं. तो यू कैन सी दैट लिंक्स एंड यू कैन डाउनलोड. तो आप एक दफा उसको, अगर आपके पास टाइम हो तो यू कैन सी इट अगेन. सो इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन देन वी विल कंबाइन, इंटीग्रेट ऑल दीज आइडियाज जितने भी हमने किए हैं.
Sir, sorry to interrupt you.
Yes.
I'm going to share, sir, our YouTube channel link. All the lectures are available there.
Okay, you can guide all these friends.
I'm
Okay?
sharing in chat. Okay, sir.
Okay, okay. So this way, अभी तक जो हमने किया ना, अभी हमने इन सारों का भी सेंस बनाना है. We have to find out why we read so many topics. कि इतना कुछ जो पढ़ा है उसका हमें ओवरऑल क्या एडवांटेज हुआ है. तो एक एक चीज तो हमने अलग पढ़ी है ना. नाउ वी विल ट्राई टू इंटीग्रेट देम टू हैव अ बिगर पिक्चर विद अस. एंड देन फिर अगले नेक्स्ट लास्ट वीक विल बी द लास्ट वीक. वी विल हैव 4 लेक्चर्स ड्यूरिंग द लास्ट वीक. उसमें वी विल ट्राई टू स्टडी मैथमेटिक्स का कॉन्सेप्ट लेंगे. वी विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, आईटी जो है, वो चीजें जो आपको फ्यूचर में काम आएंगी. तो वी विल ट्राई टू यूटिलाइज दीज 5 लेक्चर जो कि कमिंग है. कल का तो रिवीजन वाला है और बाकी हम डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स को पढ़ेंगे और इसका सेंस बनाएंगे. एंड देन वी विल फाइंड आउट व्हाट वी हैव गेन्ड फ्रॉम दिस एफर्ट. तो इस तरीके से देन यू विल नो योरसेल्फ कि यू हैव वेस्टेड योर टाइम और यू हैव गेन्ड समथिंग आउट ऑफ इट. तो दिस तरीके से वी कैन कलेक्टिवली डेवलप आवरसेल्फ. And if whatever you have learned, you must share with your friends, with your cousins, with your class fellows. And collaboration से ना हमेशा you improve your knowledge. You can find not only make friends, but you can always learn more from each other. Maybe they know something better, they can share it with you. तो इसमें जैसे एक चीज, one message for today. ये जो गेम होती है ना, गेम, उसमें यू हैव टू बीट समवन टू विन. बट लाइफ इज नॉट अ गेम. एवरीबॉडी कैन बी सक्सेसफुल, एवरीबॉडी कैन बी विनर. सो वी नीड टू विन कलेक्टिवली. इट इज नॉट गुड ओनली one person is coming first, or it is good to perform well, but you should take everybody along. आपके जितने क्लास फेलोज हैं, जितने वो कजन हैं जो कि बहुत इंटरेस्ट नहीं लेते पढ़ाई में, तो यू शुड एक्साइट देम, यू शुड मोटिवेट देम. तो उन्हें आपने होप देनी है, उन्हें आपने साथ लेके चलना है. और कलेक्टिवली विद गुड कोलैबोरेशन, विद गुड कम्युनिकेशन, वी कैन फॉर्म अ वेरी गुड टीम. तो आज का लेक्चर इतना ही था. If you have to ask any question, please do ask.
No, sir.
Okay,
Allah
beta,
Hafiz.
then Allah Hafiz.
Sir.
Take
Yes, sir,
care.
then,
Allah Hafiz.
okay, sir,
See you
Allah Hafiz.
tomorrow, inshallah.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.